Hi everyone, Natasha here from Emblem Ford. I'm here today to show you how to connect your vehicle to your FordPass app. So start by opening your app, and then you will see the option of Add a Vehicle. Click on that, and then you must scan your VIN number. Your VIN number can be found in your door or on your windshield. Get started. So once you've added your vehicle, click on Vehicle Details, and then click on Activate Vehicle. This will link your FordPass to your vehicle. Click Yes on the screen of your vehicle. Authorization access complete. Go back, and your FordPass is connected. Once you go back to your vehicle, you'll be able to now see that you can start your car and you can lock and unlock your doors. So if you hold the start button, your vehicle should start. And then if you would like to stop it, once again, hold the button and the vehicle is now stopped. Enjoy your FordPass and feel free to come in and see us at Emblem Ford for any of your questions or needs.